The Systems Engineering Department is one of the earliest departments in KFUPM, where it teaches students state-of-the-art and high-quality education in the fields of systems engineering. We have two options in the department. One is automation and control, and the other one is industrial engineering and operation research. The automation and control takes care of teaching the engineering skills related to automating industrial processes and building control systems and instrumentation systems. While in the industrial engineering, we are concerned with teaching many fields that are very much needed in the local industry, and more specifically into maintenance systems, quality control, production and inventory control, human factor engineering, and many other related fields.
The facilities that we have in System Engineering department are also tremendous. We put a lot of care, we put a lot of attention for our students. We would like our students to be the best and graduated with a good background in order to be able and effective in competing in the industrial environment. So we have good laboratory facilities, we have good equipments, we have a good library with many books and references, and also we have excellent faculty members that are ready to help at any time any student to achieve their endeavor and succeed in their academic program.
There is a large variety of courses we teach in the System Engineering department, but there are three areas which I'd like to discuss. One area of courses is Engineering, Statistics and Applied Probability. There are three courses in this area. They cover basic statistics, which the engineer would use in his work, and they cover an important topic, which is quality control. Quality control is a very useful area now in today's industry. Another set of courses are what we call operations research, and the topic of operations research is about mathematical modeling of real industrial problems and actually real economic problems as well. And the third area is production planning and inventory control. Again, this course is very useful for those who work in industry, and if you apply it properly in your work, it should result in big savings for any firm. The faculty and graduate students of the industrial engineering option department are involved in many research projects which are used by industry. The interesting project was planning manpower in a noisy environment. There was a factory where it was involved with cutting metals. The noise was very high, and we had to plan the manpower so that the amount of noise they receive doesn't exceed what's recommended by health organizations. Another area of research is maintenance planning and maintenance auditing. Our faculty members got involved in maintenance auditing for the Royal Saudi Air Force, for the railway system of the Eastern Province, for several companies in Jubail. And these projects resulted in improving the maintenance systems in these organizations. A project which was very useful during the wartime in 1991 was study of the movement of oil spills in the Arabian Gulf. This project, again, was a collaboration between our faculty members in this department and those in the research institute of the university. We have several projects related to Hajj. One of them, which is one of the old projects, was on the manpower planning for King Abdulaziz Airport during Hajj season. How many persons I should have in the airport to serve the million Hajjis who come during only 1 month. That was a large project that we were involved with. Another project was using computer simulation to describe the movement of Hajjis, of pilgrims, from Arafat to Mina, or to Muzdalifah actually, during Nafra, during Hajj time. Another project related to Hajj was a study of the Jamarat Bridge. Jamarat Bridge is well-known landmark in Hajj, and people visit Jamarat Bridge at least 3 times during Hajj time. And we studied this bridge. We studied how many people should be allowed on the bridge, and we came up at the end with a schedule for different Hajj groups to visit the bridge. This way, we'll avoid overcrowding, and which could result in accidents.
I believe that the systems engineering graduate has a promising future because of 3 factors. First, because of the wide scope applicability of the systems engineering discipline, which is applicable and relevant to both the service sector and the manufacturing sector. The second factor is the growing pace of industrialization both in the country and in the region. And the third factor is globalization and what it brings in terms of higher emphasis on both quality and productivity.
After graduation, students from the industrial engineering option of the department get jobs in various places, such as Saudi Aramco, which employs many of our students, such as the factories of Sabic and Jubail, such as the Ministry of Defense and the Royal Air Force. They also join smaller industry like Azamil Steel or Azamil Air Conditioning or Al-Wataniya company of Al-Rajhi. I know several students who join banks. There are students who work in the desalination plants. Good number of them work on the areas I mentioned before, related to quality control, to inventory planning and control, to maintenance, to safety. These are the areas where you usually find jobs.
Our undergraduate students are encouraged to join the graduate program, either here in the department, or also they have a chance to go for a scholarship to international and well-known universities around the world, where after that they will come back and join the department as a faculty.
In terms of our department services that can be offered to industrial organizations, then of course we offer our product, which is good systems engineers that are ready to join the workforce and work as industrial engineers or as control and automation engineers. But we also offer consultancy services, training services. We could also offer the utilization of our facilities, our state-of-the-art laboratories for the sake of experiments and implementation of let's say projects that are needed by the industry. And we also offer the wide range of services by the Center for Excellence in Maintenance that is hosted in our department.
We also offer short courses to company or continuous training to Aramco, to Sabic, to Razi. We have open courses and closed courses. Of course, closed courses are directed to the need of the company itself. Open courses, we just made the announcement that many companies can participate in this short course.